This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me in a special report on the delayed launch of Boeing's Starliner spacecraft to the International Space Station. And that's where we pick up the story. On Thursday, the Russian section of the International Space Station gained a 23-ton science module, but just hours after it had docked, its thrusters began unexpectedly firing, twisting the orientation of the space station by 45 degrees before other thrusters were fired to try to push it back into its correct orbital position. The astronauts were never in danger. I'll have more on the launch delay and Russian docking next on About Space Today. Hey moms and dads, it's the good old summertime, a time to come to the beach. Cocoa Beach, just minutes from the Kennedy Space Center. Stay any Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights for just $215 per person. That's $215 for 4 days and 3 nights at the Best Western, directly on the ocean and walking distance to the pier, including our buffet breakfast daily and 2 tickets to the Kennedy Space Center complex. This is a D&D Cruise and Tours exclusive promotion for About Space Today by calling 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. This is a limited time promotion, so book early and come on down to see the Space Coast. Welcome back. NASA has postponed the planned launch after the orbiting outpost was briefly thrown out of control. In a teleconference, NASA Commercial Crew Chief and Program Director Steve Sick told reporters,
"The situation today, we decided that it would not be smart to go launch the OFT-2 mission tomorrow. We wanted to give the ISS program time to assess what had happened today, determine the cause, and make sure that they were really ready to support the Starliner launch and the OFT-2 mission."
And during a pre-launch news conference, Boeing's chief says this launch is crucial.
This OFT test flight, this is really crucial. As you know, a year and a half ago in December 2019, we met a lot of objectives, but we did not meet the objective of rendezvous and docking with the International Space Station, verifying all the software and the systems needed to safely do that. So that's going to be of critical importance on this mission coming up, that we demonstrate we can do rendezvous prox ops, that all the sensors work, that all the software works, the guidance, navigation, that everything works as it should. We'll get more data on the vehicle as it's docked to ISS and flying to and from the International Space Station. And we're going to bring some cargo home too, which is critical for future missions to ISS.
And join me and Don Meyer, our Space Coast news editor, next Tuesday for the launch of Starliner to the International Space Station. And be sure to have your family and friends listen each Tuesday with me on About Space Today, and on Fridays, America in Space with Don Meyer from Florida's Space Coast. Follow us on Facebook for news, updates, and all things of About Space Today. And to all of our friends and listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for listening. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.